Hi viewer, I welcome you to Rim TV. It is the station where you watch and learn. I'll be taking you through Geography Form 3, lesson number 9. The topic it is weathering. I'm your tutor, Lucy Mudhoni. Welcome. We are going to look at our lesson goals. Today we are going to look at the chemical weathering and its processes. When we talk about the chemical weathering, it is that process where now we have the chemical reactions taking place. And how does the chemical reaction takes place? The chemical reactions takes place in the presence of the moisture, in the presence of the gases, and also the temperature being So that is the reason as to why we can say that the chemical weathering, it is caused by three things. One, the presence of the moisture. There must be water presence, water molecules. The next one, there must be the gases, because the gases are required to mix up with the water in order for them to form the acidic substances. Then the high temperatures will trigger the rate of the reactions. Let us look at their processes. Now, when we talk about the processes of the chemical weathering, they are 5 in number, and we are going to look at each at a time. We start by the first one, which is the hydrolysis. Now, when we talk about the hydrolysis, water breaks down into hydrogen ions which then combine with the minerals. When the water comes in contact with the rocks, this water contains two ions, hydrogen ions and oxygen ions. So when now it breaks down into ions, the hydrogen ions have the capacity of now combining with other minerals. They start reacting. Now it becomes a substance that can react. And this is common in igneous rocks that contain high mineral content of the feldspar, which is the clay. So when clay rocks comes in contact with the hydrogen ions, they will react. And this is the process we refer to it as the hydrolysis. Finally, it causes the rocks to break down. Then the next one, it is the oxidation. Now, when we said that there must be the presence of the gases, this is where now the gases will come in. Oxidation. Oxidation, it is the combination or addition of oxygen in a mineral. And in chemical weathering, it is common in rocks that are rich in iron elements or iron compounds. Example, we have the ferrous compounds are exposed to the oxygen presence in the water, and oxidation takes place, resulting into the ferric oxide. And when I talk about a ferric oxide, these are soft rocks that disintegrate easily. So that is how oxidation takes place. Oxygen from the water is added to the iron compounds, resulting to the ferric oxide, which is the soft rocks. The third one, it is the carbonation. Carbonation, it is a chemical process that takes place in limestone rocks, where we have the limestone rocks. Rainwater dissolves carbon dioxide in the air, forming a weak carbonic acid, which reacts with the limestone rocks to form the calcium carbonate that dissolves in water. So you can be able to see how carbonation takes place. And it must combine with the water during rainy season. And then this weak carbonic acid, it is the one that reacts with the limestone, removing the content that is found in the limestone, making the rock to become weak. Making the rock to become weak. So in that case, you happen to have now that rock becoming weak, and then it can be able to break down. Then we have the next one, the fourth one, which is the solution. Minerals in the rocks directly dissolve in water without their chemical composition being altered. And then minerals change from solid to solution stage. That is, they dissolve in water. That is the one that we are referring to it as solution. And it is common in rocks like the salt and the gypsum. Salt are soluble. Many salts are soluble in water. Gypsum is soluble in water. So when they come in contact with the water, they will dissolve in it, making that rock weak and it disintegrate. Then the fifth one, it is the hydration. Some hygroscopic minerals in the atmosphere, they swell and expand, creating internal stress within the rock. And then when now that stress is there, making the rock to become weak, it disintegrates. And now remember, the substance that has been used, it is the hygroscopic minerals, the water present. So that marks the end of our lesson. I'm leaving this activity. Explain 4 processes of the chemical weathering. Explain 4 processes of the chemical weathering. For more information, you can visit the KRB 2003 Secondary Geography Student Book 3, the 3rd edition. You can also contact us through an SMS. You SMS to the number. You can also get us from the YouTube. You can also get us from the Facebook. And also you can Twitter us through that. Otherwise, stay tuned to the RIM TV. Thank you.